Hi, my name is Jesse Butler, and this is my protein paper presentation. The protein I have selected to do my paper over was ATP synthase. First, I'm going to define what a protein is. A protein is any of a class of nitrogenous organic compounds that consist of a large molecules composed of one or more long chains of amino acids and are essentially part of all living organisms, especially as structural components of body tissues such as muscles, hair, collagen, etc., and as enzymes and antibodies. My specific protein, which is ATP synthase, is an enzyme. An enzyme is a catalyst which speeds up chemical reactions but remains unchanged themselves. The protein structure falls in the categories of first level, second level, tertiary level, and quaternary level. The first level of the protein structure of ATP synthase is the amino acid sequence. To the right is the complete sequence. As you can see, there is a total of 530 sequences, 530 amino acid sequences. The second level of ATP synthase is the alpha helix and the beta pleated sheets. An alpha helix is a common motif in the secondary structure of a protein and is a right-handed spiral conformation. A beta pleated sheet is a common motif of a regular secondary structure in proteins. They consist of beta strands connected laterally by at least 2 or 3 backbone hydrogen bonds. As you can see in the image, the alpha helix is a carbon-carbon-nitrogen backbone, as well as the beta pleated sheet is a carbon-carbon-nitrogen backbone. The tertiary level in ATP synthase is when we see the three-dimensional structure come to life. The alpha helix and beta pleated sheets combine to a specific conformation ATP synthase so that ATP synthase can function properly. The combination of the alpha helix and the beta pleated sheets are considered subunits. The quaternary level of ATP synthase is when we see the complete structure come together. At this level, we combine all the subunits from the tertiary level. Once all the subunits are combined and the conformation is complete, then the protein can function properly. If something is not correct, then the protein will not function properly. How ATP synthase works. ATP synthase synthesizes ATP from ADP, an inorganic phosphate, using a unique rotary mechanism whereby two subcomplexes move relative to each other, produced by a proton or sodium gradient. ATP synthase is defined as an enzyme that creates the energy storage molecule adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. ATP is the most commonly used energy currency of cells for most organisms. It is formed from adenosine diphosphate, ADP, and inorganic phosphate.